What the hell is that rattle? Hey guys, Anthony 4x4 Diesel. We're in the back of a Prado. And it's got a terrible rattle. It's been there for a little while. Wait for some more Victorian roads, hang on. Have a bit more of a listen. Oh, this bit they made too smooth, look at it, not bad. It's never noisy when you want it to be. I'm going to show you some problems anyway. See the whole door's wobbling up and down, slapping around like it's loose, like it's not even shut properly. It's like it's not shut properly. So what, maybe it needs some adjustment or something, or you can see we've got the inner trim off the rear of the door. Hopefully we can get another bump soon. Oh, they can build roads properly when they want to, but these are pretty smooth roads and this door's banging around. I'd hate to hear it on a corrugated road, you know what I mean? It'd be absolutely ridiculous. Anyway, let's get back to base and have a look at what's going on. A bit bumpy there, a bit rattly. Anyway, you get the gist of it. Could you imagine driving around with that? Do your head in. So the client's gone ahead and removed the door trim and, you know, peeled this back. Messy stuff, as you know. Checking around for what could be broken in here, because there is some things that, some spot welds and things can break. I'm not sure, I haven't seen it myself, but see these spot welds in here in the door because of the spare wheel hanging off. So there's a few there and there's a few down here and here, but I believe they're okay. But from looking in the back and going for a ride in the back with them driving, hey, it was fun, some crazy driving, I'll tell you. But look, at the end of the day, what I saw was when you jam things in the door, it makes dents is one thing. So I saw daylight through there, but then while looking at that, I noticed a fair bit of daylight through down here. So it brings me back to check the basics first. So following the door, back to the seal. Well, the seal, firstly, the seal should be in pretty good condition like this. This one should maybe even be replaced, because you can see this isn't looking after seals, you know, having them half tucked in, half tucked out, rocks sitting in there. Remember, we've said in other videos about keeping things clean helps look after things, dragging things over. It could have been the previous owner, I don't know, but having the seal half in, half out, things getting dragged over there and not cleaning things up properly doesn't help. Now, what happens with the seal? It's meant to be kind of, see that, how it squashes down? Nice and soft. Let's just follow that down. Oh, it's like a, well, here it's soft and there it's hard, so it's like a, yeah, you know, yeah, it's hard, right? You get it? It's hard all the way down here. Hang on, a little bit soft now. That's still, feels like someone's filled it up with silicone. But I don't think someone's filled up with silicone. If we come around and have a look at the holes here, there's all these little, if we can, little air holes. Right, so when you close it, pushes the air in and out, right? But if you go off-road a lot, these holes, they can become blocked. Look, see that? I'm going to try and get around and show you this. I'm going to try to. Difficult, but it's rock hard. So basically, that hole's blocked, that hole's blocked, that hole's blocked, and all these ones down the bottom, until about there, they're blocked as well, right? So this is normal, not really normal there. All right, so all the way along the bottom, it's all good, all right, all the way along how it should be. Now, I'm not saying this is going to solve, we've got the same over here as well, right? So you've got problems with your door hinges and whatever. Checking the operation and cleanliness. We've mentioned a number of times in videos, after trips, you really got to give everything a good clean. and see where it's at. So coming down this side, right there, it's full of dirt up to there again, right? And that's rock hard there. So it's rock hard all the way down. Still patchy there. And I can feel those rocks there as well. They're not going to help things when you shut your door. From here at the bottom, it's pretty good, right? Because you've got some nice wear and tear holes there. So what needs to happen one way or another, first thing that needs to happen is we need to clean out that so the door can shut properly. Because if you're shutting the door against a partly hard surface like that, it's going to cause some problems. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and clean this out. I'm not sure how yet. We'll probably put a little screwdriver in down the bottom, find the first hole down the bottom here, right? Find the first hole down here, put a little hole, make sure it's big enough, you know, just a little, like, you know, 4mm screwdriver, flat blade, you know, the little yellow Stanley one. Put it in there, and then we'll just sort of squeeze like this, squeeze and sort of crumble it. It's going to be hard to get it to come out, to be quite honest, so we might need to end up, I don't mind if we've got to cut a little hole at the bottom here, somewhere near the bottom corners at each side, and then give it a squeeze and let all the dirt fall out. We need to get the dirt out, so you can do it however you like, but one way or another, we're going to do that while you go and check your seals. That's what I said, didn't I? Yeah, the old Stanley set, mate. 20, 30, 40 years old, mate. That's an old one. I reckon that set's about 40 years old. Anyway, look at all the dust that come out of this corner, right? That's what was in there. Good work, mate. About half an hour to clean all that. You can see the it's still coming out. Probably a bit of compressed air will come in handy anyway, but that was the manual clean. And similar over here. But what I have never really taken much notice of this, what I need everyone to do, and let us know in the comments, I'll check it out. In the corner of your seal down here, see how it squashes like that? And see, here there's a hard bit. Just wondering, if someone added in a bit of rubber, it looks like a bit of bloody vacuum hose. Is that meant to be in there? Is that an extra bit of rubber that helps something happen that's meant to be in there? This is not a trick question, it's not a joke, it's a serious question. Let's have a look, is there one up here? Not anywhere else. Is there one at the bottom corner over here? No, that one's empty. So why would you put it at this corner? Maybe there's good reason for it. Is it fixed in there? Does it pull out? You know, I don't really want to pull it out, but I believe this is what's caused the problem because, well, not really, because it got blocked over this side as well, right? So we'll tuck it in, we'll leave it in there, right? That was the cleaning out hole, but look, there's still some dirt in there. Compressed air, you can see. So still a bit more cleaning. So we're going to clean it out. We're going to take it for a drive, and it'll have to be in another video. We'll let you know how it goes and what else we need to do to fix this noise. But if you've got a trip coming up, or you've been on a trip, you might want to just check out your rear seal and make sure it's empty. The other thing you can do periodically is pull this seal out, and there'll be dust and dirt in behind it as well. You might want to clean that out so your vehicle doesn't rust out. Anyway, I hope you like what we got for you so far, and yeah, subscribe, turn the bell on so you don't miss the next video that gives you a bit of a conclusion or more information on this, because what's happening at the moment is that was rock hard, and I still believe that is quite hard with that bit of rubber in there, so that might actually need to come out, or maybe that belongs somewhere else further up around here somewhere. I'm not too sure, but if you can go and check your seals for me, just go like this on the back of your 150s, and if you feel a bit of rubber, let me know. Yeah, I've got one as well at the bottom left hand corner, or yeah, I've got one but it's halfway down the left hand side, or I've got one, it's up the top, whatever the case may be. Let's suss it out, let us know. Thanks for watching. Bada bing, bada boom, we're out of here. Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day. Quick question, this is a serious question, I haven't come across this before, but the rear seal was actually full of dust cleaning it out here. And this one, and what I noticed, there's like a bit of tube inside here. I didn't cut this open, by the way. See, it's like a bit of vacuum line in there, right? It's ridiculous. I don't know if that's right or not. So what I want everybody that's got a 150 Prado, for your own information, and to let me know, can you go out and just press your seal like this, go like that, and when you get to the bottom corner at about there, where the trim joins, around the bend to about there, does it feel more solid? Have you think you got a bit of vacuum line in there? Is that meant to be there? Did it come from somewhere else? I just haven't got any other 150s at the moment to compare to. So if you can do that and let me know in the comments, that'd be awesome. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See ya. And if you think it's not there, check again, because I'm at the 120, 2008. It starts there. and finishes there right near that. So from there to there is a piece extra in there, and the reason the slit was down the other one, like I said, it got cut open. I said it wasn't me, but it got done by someone at location.